Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Hummerkaus, and I will be the instructor for this course as well as for your Intro to Teaching course. But for right now, let's just worry about these first 2 weeks. The Education Seminar course is intended to get you up to speed with the technology that's expected of you to be able to work with throughout the program. And that includes Moodle, of course, and Google Drive and Google Sites. So the assignments that we're going to have for the next 2 weeks require you to use those things to practice with. So the next 2 weeks are going to be technology intensive, and everybody makes it through just fine. So even though you might get frustrated, we're all here to help you. So just make sure you ask. I'm going to real quick go through our home page here of our course site. I have, anytime I need to make announcements, I'll make them here. Here's our syllabus, and I know every teacher says this, but you really do need to read the syllabus. This classmate contact info, this is really just a place where you can leave your contact information for each other if you would like to. Some people are really good at working on their own, and others need someone that they can call to get clarification or text or email or whatever. So that's right there for you. Because you are all adults and some of you are already in the field, you can come across some really good resources or ideas or things that you think your classmates, and even I love seeing, would want to share. So this contributions link is a place where you can add those things. Excuse me, I've got a little frog in my throat. That's why I keep trying to clear it. The Q&A section, if you ask each other something and none of your classmates can answer it for you, throw it up there on the Q&A section. I can answer it, and you can all see the same answer. News forum is where I'll let you know some things that you might need to know. The praise and prayer forum, if you have something you would like to share with us, we can all use some good news. And if you have something that you would like to have prayer about, please let us know. We'd like to help you with that as well. This is where this introductory video is, so hopefully you have seen that, and you're watching that right now. This first week is divided into 3 different units. So we have Unit 1, 3 different lessons. So we have Unit 1, Lesson 1, Unit 2, Lesson 2, and Unit 1, Lesson 3. Unit 1, Lesson 1, Unit 1, Lesson 2, and Unit 1, Lesson 3. And there we go. So there'll be assignments with each of these things, and then a final assignment for the week. And then I will open the second week, and that will be next week. So let's just worry about this week one at a time right now. I like to divide things up. I try to keep things as clear as possible for you here. So the lesson 1 is an introduction to the course and the program, and would be right here on this link. The 2 places where I will have you submit something based on that lesson would be right here, submit here, submit here. Then here's the second lesson for this unit and what I want you to submit, and the third lesson for this unit and what I would want you to submit. And as I've said, some of the content is information that you need to have for not only this course, but the program as well as the profession. And a lot of this material that I'm giving you is material that you will use and access in future courses. So that brings us to the portfolio, which is a big piece of what you're learning about in this course as well as in this whole program. You're wanting to house all your information and all your materials in Google Drive and ultimately in your portfolio. And that will be explained more as we go on. So I'm going to end this recording because they shouldn't be too long because you get really bored listening to me ramble on. And I just want to reiterate that you please communicate with me early and often if you don't understand something. All right, we will move on to lesson 1.